Welcome back to another new exciting video, guys. Finally, an alternative to OpenClaw, and its name is Hermes Agent. This Hermes Agent is powered by Nous Research, and previously also I made several videos regarding Nous Research model Hermes, and now they have published this Hermes Agent. And in this video, I will show you the step-by-step process that how you can install it and how you can use it. And also, I will show you this Telegram integration, the bot further Telegram bot token, and we will communicate to it using that Telegram. And also I will show you all of that commands that you need to execute to use this Hermes agent. So you can say that this is a great alternative to OpenClaw, and also here you see that it is completely open source and MIT license. And they have written these things that an agent that grows with you means whenever you will interact with this Hermes agent, then slowly it will learn and it will evolve itself. And also the same thing it is written here, it is an autonomous agent that lives on your server and remembers what it learns and get more capable the longer it runs. So more you will use this agent, then the agent will be more powerful. Now this is the single command that you need to run. So first of all, if you are on Linux or Mac, then it is very easy, but if you are on Windows, then make sure you are using the WSL. Now if you don't have the WSL, you can go to the Microsoft Store inside your Windows, and there you can search this Ubuntu and you can install this Ubuntu. Basically I am currently inside my Windows, and I have installed this Ubuntu, and it will now behave as a Linux. Now this command you need to copy it. I have given this website link in description. You just go there and just copy this command. Okay, and now open that Ubuntu and do that sign up and make the account. It is very easy. Now here you see I have pasted this, and after that you will find this Hermes Agent Installer, an open source AI agent by Nous Research. Now after that, here you see that it have installed several dependencies. It has installed this Python, and if you don't have the Python, then automatically it will install that. Now after this installation, you will get this kind of message that press enter to start. So whenever you will press enter, it will ask for the configuration. Here you see that open router API key, it is showing because I have selected the open router. Now in your case, you can use any of the provider like OpenAI is there, Anthropic there, or you can use the Olama for your local model. Okay, now I have selected open router because there are several API, several models are there. So what I will do that I will go to this open router, and there I will make one API key. So just click on this create. I will give this link also in description where you can create an API key inside open router. Now I'll give this name Hermes. Okay, and click on this create, and after that get this API key, now paste it here and press enter. Now open router API key saved. Now one of the interesting thing is that whenever you are pasting anything, okay, you will not get that API key here. Okay, I think for security purpose they are doing these things, so just keep it in your mind. First you will find that it not got pasted, but yes, it got pasted. So just press enter, then after that you will find all of this model. Now I will choose this Nemotron 3 Super model. This is the completely free available on open router, and also it supports the agentic capability, so I'll choose that. And now it is asking me select the TTS provider, keep the current as TTS, just make it some large, I think. Can I make it? Yes. Okay, now select terminal backend. Yes, keep the current local, and max iteration 60 it is asking. Press enter. Total progress mode. Here you see all. Keep the default. Compress threshold, keep the default, and session reset mode, keep the current settings. And now it is asking me set up the Telegram bot. Now yes, I will set up the Telegram bot. Yes. Now Telegram bot token, and it is asking to create that using that bot further. So go to your Telegram and search for the bot further here in the search option, and you will get it. Now just create a new bot. Okay, and it is asking me to give a name here, so I will write it Hermes Digipt. Okay, Hermes Digipt. Okay, copy this name and press enter. Okay, good. It is now available and it is asking me to write the bot lust. Okay, Hermes digit bot. Yes, now I got my token here. So what I will do, I will just copy this and go here and paste it. Again, you will not see that due to security purpose. Now press enter. So token saved. Now allowed user ID, comma separated, leave empty. Okay. I want to keep it as a open access. Home channel ID if you have, give, otherwise you can set it later. Discord bot, no. I don't want to set up Discord bot. Slack bot, no. Okay, it has many bot. Okay, no. I just want to go with the Telegram right now. Webhooks, no. So install the gateway as a system service. Yes, I can do that. So skip the service install for now. Yes. Now it is asking me tools for the CLI. So web search or scraping and browser automation, and here you see that there are several tools are there. So I can just install this web search and scraping and skip default. And now it is asking me for this image generation tool or this API key, file API key, but I don't want to do that. uh, Skip and skip. If you want you can do that, but right now I am not interested. Okay, so yes, web search scraping, this is done. Okay, and yes, this is done. Here you see that would you like to install the gateway as a backend service? No. Okay, now it is done, and now it is asking me to reload the cell. So what I'll do, I will copy this. I will just copy this and paste it, press enter. So I have reloaded it. And now the command that you need to run is this Hermes. And also if you go to their GitHub, so let me just go to their GitHub. Where is that GitHub? GitHub. Yes, GitHub repository. There, if you scroll down, you will find all of that commands. Here you see currently I have done this source, this bash, this command. Now need to run this Hermes. So this is the actual command that you need to run for start doing the activities. Okay, and now press enter, and now it will start that. Okay, so let's wait for that interface. Yes, here you see that this is the interface Hermes agent, and now here you see that the model that I have selected, Nemotron 3 Super, it is showing here. Now if I just write hi and press enter, you will see that response back from this model, as this was the reasoning model. And here you see, hello, I am Hermes, your CLI AI assistant. How can I assist you today? So guys, this is the full step-by-step process of using this Hermes agent locally, and I have used the open router model. You can do the same thing with the Olama also, or any provider. Most of the provider are supported here, and basically when they will ask for selecting the provider, you can actually change that to Olama. And otherwise they have one command. Here you see that Hermes setup. So if you use this command, then also it will ask you to do the setup. And also if you use this Hermes model, then also it will ask you to change the model. So if I just close it here, and if I just write Hermes model, and here you see it is asking me to choose the provider. So one, two, and here you see that minimax is here and open code is here. Okay, and this is the custom pro endpoint. So in case of Olama, you need to choose this custom endpoint, and you need to provide that base URL. So for Olama, the base URL is that localhost 1134. So if I show you that, I think it will be very easy for you. Okay. Actually, I have deleted all of the local Olama model from my system to reduce the space. So that's why I am just using this open router model. But from client, actually, I am showing you, if you select this Olama, yes, this is the base URL. Here you see 11434. This is the base URL. Then you need to copy and you need to provide it here. So let me just give the option. It is asking me to choose any of the points. Let me select this 16 here because it is the custom endpoint. And here you see that OpenAI compatible. Yes, paste it here and make sure when you are providing this Olama base URL, this local host, then after that write v1. Okay, because here you see that this is the example v1 you need to provide and press enter. And instead of Olama, API key is optional, and model name it is asking me. So all of the model that is installed in your locally, you just provide that model name here. Okay, I have not currently any model installed in my locally, or let me check if there is any model. uh, Olama list, if I check, let's see. Okay, so I have installed, okay, I have installed this Qwen 3.5 0.8 billion model. So let's copy this. Now it is very easy for me also to show you all of the use cases. So I am providing this Qwen 3.5, press enter, context line in token, leave blank, and now it is, you see that it is using this Olama local Olama model. Now I can start again Hermes, and here you see that it will start that. Let's wait for, and now here you see it is now using this Qwen 3.5 0.8 billion. So yes, this is the whole procedure to do the setup to use any model. Instead of OpenClaw, you can go with this Hermes agent, and this is also very lightweight. I will give all of this link in description. You go there. The first step is to install this. Also in their official website they have mentioned all of the steps. The first step is to install it. This is the command to install. Second is this configure Hermes setup, and as you see, if you want to change the model, and after that to start chatting, this is the Hermes. Okay, you need to just write Hermes, press enter, and it will start that. So if you found this video helpful guys, this detailed step-by-step procedure, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.